Oh my god, guys, I did it! I tied a tie. I'm supposed to be a schoolgirl, but the way everything is set up right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that you're super late and Halloween is what? Is it tomorrow? These are going to be last minute ideas. I just want to say, please subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of these Halloween last minute ideas. So let's just get started. So number one, you can dress up as the twin emojis. If there's two of you, then that's absolutely perfect. Number two, you can dress up as thing one and thing two. I saw on Instagram actually people that did that one and it was really cool. Number three, you can dress up as an army girl. Number four, a football player. Number five, a cheerleader. Number six, you can pick up a onesie, like any style, and just wear it because you'll be the warm one. Number seven, Regina George from Mean Girls. Number eight, Sandy from Grease. Number nine, Danny from Grease. Or if there's two of you, you can do Sandy and Danny together. That'll be really cute. Number 10, Minnie Mouse. Number 11, Wonder Woman. Number 12, a police officer. Number 13, a Bratz doll. Number 14, a Barbie doll. Number 15, a devil. And you can make it really simple. You can just get one of those headbands and just get the horns instead of doing like the whole, like maybe the whole costume thing. If you want to make it really simple, because this is last minute. Number 16, a character from The Incredibles. Number 17, a Harry Potter character. Number 19, you can dress up as a deer. That will just require a bit of like makeup skills. So if you're good in that department, then go for it. Number 20, Tinkerbell. Again, if there's two of you, you can do Tinkerbell and Peter Pan. Number 21, you can do Cher from Clueless. And actually online they are selling a lot of like those Cher inspired or even like 90s themed inspired outfits. So you can also just do somebody from a particular era where there's like 90s, 80s, 70s, 60s, 50s. You can go on. Number 22, you can also do a schoolgirl. And actually, do you know what's a good idea? You can dress up as Britney Spears from that song.
I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're right outside. Show me how you want it to.
Number 18, any of the characters from Stranger Things. You can do that individually or you can also do it as a group. And number 23, you can dress up as a cat. You can also just do any animal, like a frog. You can also do like a bunny and just get those headbands and keep your outfit simple. Just wear like a leotard, or you can wear like a play suit or jumpsuit and just put cat ears, put dog ears, frog ears, you know? That's all of my ideas and bye guys.